Sketch the graph of y minus 1 all squared equals 4x plus 3 on the axes below. Indicate clearly on your sketch the position of the vertex and the x and y intercepts, which should be given to 2 decimal places as appropriate. Now we have the calculator to help. So I'm just going to clear everything here and let's just get rid of the keyboard. So I have y minus 1 squared equals 4x plus 3. Now if I open a graph window at the bottom here and drag that in, it will plot it for me. But you'll notice if I go to analysis and gsolve, there's not much actual information, and if I actually tap on that you can see I can't get those either. So we're going to have to find things manually, but this confirms that the vertex here will be at 1 and negative 3. So negative 3 is the x and 1 is the y. So negative 3, 1. So negative 3, 1 is the vertex. I can see that this crosses here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, between 4 and 5. And down here, negative 1, negative 2, between negative 2 and negative 3, and I'm going to want to find those values exactly, and I'm also going to want to find the x-intercept exactly, and all of those we're going to have to do on the calculator. So it's going to do this type of thing. It's not a very good sketch actually, but that's a bit better on that side. Not really happy with the bottom, so I might just go back and redo that. Which is why you should draw diagrams in pencil. So it's going to go through there, and like so. And we should label it at this point as well. So y minus 1 squared is equal to 4x plus 3. Okay, so we want these intercepts here, here, and here. So the x-intercept happens when y is 0. So I'm just going to do action, advanced, solve, and if y is 0, that gives me negative 1 squared equals 4x plus 3, and that gives me x is negative 11 over 4, so we can put in here negative 11 over 4, 0. Now, for the y-intercepts, x is 0. So once again we're going to use a solve, and there we're going to have y minus 1 squared is equal, and if x is 0, this is just 12. And I need to tell that I'm solving for y. So let's just do comma y. And we wanted this in decimals, so let's just go back and redo that. So negative 2.46. So this one is 0 and negative 2.46. And then up here, don't like that decimal point either, I'm just going to change that. And up here I've got 4.46. Now, the line of symmetry is just going to be y is equal to 1, and the domain and range of the relation. So we can see that x's are real values, and they would start at -3, so x is greater than or equal to -3, and the y's are just going to take all real values.